Today I'm getting ready to cut the finished molding around the window out. I'm going to show you how to cut it out with a vibrating oscillating tube. You need to use that first so you don't damage all the cement board. We're going to use an oscillating tube with a vibrating blade on it. What we're going to do is we're going to cut all along here first so we don't damage the cement board. If you try to pull this board off without cutting this first, you're going to break all your cement board up and make a mess out of it. What I'm trying to do is I'm going to pull out on this screw so I can pull the board straight out. I don't want to pry against the cement board and do any damage to the cement board. It's pretty easy to damage. If that worked on the other side, we're going to try it again here. See, that makes it easy. So now I didn't damage any of the cement board here. Came out pretty easy. Now I just need to, up here I can just pry it out. That should have been done when the window was first put in. Apparently they decided to skip it, so we went ahead and added it now. Okay, the replacement wood is actually not a 2x4. It's called custom pine. You may have to go to a specialty lumber yard to get it. I couldn't find it in the big box stores. It's only 1 1/8 inch thick instead of 1 1/2 inch thick like a 2x4. Okay, you can see I got it all put back in, caulked, sanded, ready to be painted.